Good morning from the beautiful countryside of this region, Italy. So today I would like to speak something about the travel experience on motorcycle ride. So as for the last few months I have been riding a motorcycle here in Italy and exploring some countryside like these kind of hilly areas in Italy. So there are such more beautiful places, and also the experience of riding a motorcycle in lush green places and historical points, that makes also the experience quite delightful. So I normally and usually I ride motorcycle just for exploration, 80% of the time, for to explore something and to feel the nature very closely. So while riding, there is difference between riding a motorcycle or driving a four-wheel car. So as majority of people also agree with this. So this is the point also that the church on my backside. So this location also is very particular, and I remember as soon as I arrived this place, so I remembered the place because in first time couple of months ago I came here with a group ride. So I learned what I have learned in group rides when people 8, 10, 20, 15 motorcycle rides or 3, 4 motorcycle ride, they ride in a group. So there is a connection or bonding between people, those who are riders, as also they don't know each other or not very old friend, but there is a connection between one rider and another. So now when I go on the road or someone passing by, so also they show the V sign, so it means they say good luck, good wishes to the rider who passing by and for the next journey. So this also a very beautiful village town, and here this is particular place to make wines and wineries, especially very famous wines in Italy in this region. So this is all over this called Collio region, so small hills, not two giant mountains, but there are hilly areas and very greenery, lush green production area. So my experience is all about to reach new places and feel the wind. So riding motorcycle, you feel, personally I feel that there is a something kind of direct connection with the nature, direct with the wind. I can feel the wind. So that's why I don't want to just to film and to location and to riding filming every part of the street. That also distract a rider from on the road from driving, and it's quite dangerous. So that's why I think to stop here and for to speak to stop at that point, at some point, and speak with more ease and speak whatever I feel or the experience naturally. And I believe, and personally I am a slow rider. These are the motorcycles, like as you can see, this is not too much big engine and not very heavy bike. So these are for slow rides to explore the nature, for long rides. These are these kind of like cruiser bikes. So normally people use for long rides, for comfortable rides, because it's also the sitting posture, like sitting posture is like this. You can feel that it's like on a sofa, on a big chair, so you can travel long ride continuous. So that's why I choose this motorcycle. Well, it's Indian motorcycle, Indian brand Royal Enfield. That's also in connection with the English market. So Indian and English brand. So because I am a slow rider, that's why I choose this motorcycle. Many people like this, many dislike this, but the purpose is slow tourism and go with ease. So now I just stop here for the first point, just for 40 to 45 kilometers from my home. So now I just saw this place, saw some history, because this is also the part of Italy, and 3-4 kilometers there is Slovenia, another country. So now I go to another part to see other, to explore other. Then I do a little coffee break or a lunch break. There I can see also this is the bar, Enoteca bar and castle. There are also some castles, some shops, motorcycle riders also. So now I see you on the background what's actually here. This is the Collio region, and this is also written in Slovenia. The First World War soldiers and majors journeyed from the army. This is the greenery Colli area, San Floriano del Collio.